So I want to talk to you quickly about what they call permalinks. I forgot to mention this earlier because this is something that I always change like right away. I already changed it, but I want to show you what I do because anytime I get a WordPress site, it's like the first thing I do. Let me show you. If I go back into the WordPress, like our site now, you can see up here in the menu, in the title bar, it says like operationgethealthy.com/contact, and we're in the contact page. If I click on the blog page, you can see it says operationgethealthy.com/blog. Home, that's the home page, so there's no actual home there, but about, it'll say about. And that kind of makes sense. And if you think about it, and if you go into a blog post, like say, let's go into a blog post. So I click on this hello world. You see how it has hello world. So what helps you with SEO is like as you're like making blog posts and you're getting like keywords into the title of that blog post, it actually puts keywords up there, and it kind of makes like the search engines know what that blog post is about, and it helps people find your website. So that's a really, really good thing. And unfortunately, when WordPress first starts off, let me go back to the dashboard so I can show you this. If I go down to the setting area and I go into this tab called permalinks, the very first one is always this like plain. So here you'd have operationgethealthy.com, and it would be like $P=123. So I'm not sure if that means like page number 123 or something like that, but it's like, I don't know, like that doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. So say you have I don't know, like a page with a good keyword in there that people that are looking for that item would find your site perhaps, then P=123 is not really telling anybody, or definitely not telling the search engines what this is about. So I always go to this one, just says post name, and it has like the actual name of the post or the name of the page. That's the one I really like. I mean, some people use custom ones, but I prefer just, hey, let's keep it pretty simple. Click on the post name. Otherwise, like it's kind of like numeric. This might make sense to some people, but it's not really telling me like what it's, like what it is. And then this one has like month and name. I don't think I need all that into like into the title of that particular page. Here we got the month and the name and the day, so it's like whatever you want to do, but make sure that the post name is in there. I mean, I just like keep it plain and keep it post name. So if you really want the date in there, like whether it's the day or the month, that's fine. But when you get into this P=123, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. So it just makes it more difficult to find your site. So that's one reason I would always recommend. I always choose post name, but if you choose like a day or a month and the name, I mean, that's good. As long as the post name's in there, you should be okay. So in the next video, we'll get more into those mantra settings. I'll show you why I think this is a pretty cool theme.